Ace Link body armor. Make sure you check out the link below. Safety Steve out.
What's going on, y'all? Safety Steve here. Today we're out at the range and we're testing out our Ace Link body armor. This is their React kit. It comes with two 10x12 level 3 plus plates, the carrier, and then this mag Velcro pouch that goes on the front. So this is really lightweight. You have a bunch of options for more magazines, as well as Velcro patches and more add-ons. So we're gonna run around here at the range and give it our honest opinion, and then we will let y'all know. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so this is the first mag. We're going to take it nice and slow. I'm going to do a couple shots from the low ready, from the high ready, and we're going to time it and see what we can do. So we're going to start at the low ready. We're sitting at about 7 yards, and we're going to do 2 shots to the body at the low ready. Alright, so that was a 1.60. Let's try again. Alright, that was a 1.43, so we'll do it one more time. Alright, that was a 1.25. So now we're going to do 2 shots from the high ready. Alright, so we missed a shot there, so we definitely got to try again. Alright, that was a 1.59. That was a 1.41. Let's do it one more time. Alright, that was a 1.23. So don't forget, guys, train. It's the only way to get better. Safety Steve out. Alright, y'all, Safety Steve here. We're back in the classroom. I wanted to do a final overview of our Ace Link Armor React kit. This thing is absolutely amazing. I enjoyed it a lot out at the range. I had no issues shouldering a firearm as well as shooting a pistol, drawing pistol. I mean, no issues whatsoever. This thing is really minimal, but provides so many accessories. It has really good plates in it, and it's actually pretty comfortable. So I wanted to give a huge shout out to Ace Link Armor as well as Logan. You know who you are. Thank you, sir, for everything you do. As always, guys, if you have any questions or comments, please let us know down in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please hit that like and subscribe button. We really appreciate it, and we'll see y'all for the next review. Safety Steve out.